Hey there, Michael David Moreno. So, one thing I haven't really talked about is dark matter and entanglement. I didn't understand it at first, nor did I think they fall within the seven laws of nature. But it turns out, if you follow the logic, it does. Both concepts do entanglement and dark matter. So, let's start with entanglement. Entanglement is the idea that two atoms are connected by some type of invisible string. It can be a vast distance of space, but one affects the other at the same time. And it's not exactly like the internet or anything, because that takes time to travel and requires things. It's connected. So it's like a field, like a web, a shared living rhythm, like two objects sharing the same heartbeat. That's why they're connected. Um, I like to imagine it like a tablecloth. You pull one side, and the atom on this side is going to go with it. Um, as far as dark matter, that's that field, that shared living rhythm. So it isn't actually dark matter. What it is a field, and a grace field, where all things are connected by it. The wind on your face, the ground underneath your feet, the stars looking back at you. It's that. So there it is. It still falls within the seven laws of nature, um, and it's a real thing. All right. Well, thanks for your time. I'll be putting that in the new book coming out, The Lighthouse in the Dark, the Kybalion and Physics 2.0, coming very soon.